and welcome to another product review. I'm going to be reviewing these Auxito LED lights, specifically a backup light for a Mazda 6. I'll take you through the install of the bulb on a Mazda 6. I'll go through some of the specifications of the bulb. I have a couple tests where I'll test the heat and the light output of the bulb. And then also I have a couple videos that will show the difference between a stock bulb and this new LED bulb as I back out of the driveway. At the end of the video, I'll go ahead and give you my opinion of the light bulb and how well it works. And also at the end of the video, there's a special promotion just for you guys, so stay tuned for that as well. But first, let me thank Bill from Auxito for providing me these bulbs and providing some nice comments on the last videos that I have produced. So let me first talk about Auxito. If you go out to the Auxito website at auxito.com, you'll notice that they sell all kinds of different LED light bulbs for all kinds of different make and model of vehicles. In this particular case, this is a backup LED bulb, and even in that same category, depending on your price range, you can choose different styles of bulbs. This particular bulb model is 7443, 7440. It's 1300 lumens, 5.5 watts, and it has 0 warm-up time, so it's instantaneously on. It retails for about $37 on their website. As you can notice on this bulb, it has a bunch of LEDs all around the sides to give you that back light from the projection of the tail light, and then this also has an upfront projector as well. It's made of all metal. It feels very well constructed. I've seen some made of plastic, but this looks like it's a pretty good quality bulb. Over here, I have my instruments to test. This is a Lumen Test. This is an infrared heat test. To change the backup taillights in this Mazda 6, they're located here in the lens. So on the interior, you have a panel that needs to be removed. It has 12 of these push pins. They're easy to take out. Just get a fingernail in there, pop out the center. After you remove all 12 of those, there's a plastic handle here that needs to come down. Just kind of be careful, and it snaps in there. And that whole panel will come out. The lights are right here, and so with a twist, they'll come out. Just pull out the bulb, and then put in the new bulb. And what I like to use a little bit of dielectric grease, just so it makes it a little bit easier to get those out the next time you change them. And then just twist it back in and make sure it's seated. And do the same for the other side. You want to watch out. This test will be the lumens test. I will measure the light output from 1 foot away from the LED light versus the stock light. And it's reading about 1100. And the stock light is reading about 650. So according to their specs, you get double the output with the LED, and that appears to be accurate. I'm now going to go test the temperature of both these bulbs. There we go, 170, 160. And then now for the LED bulb. And for this one, it looks like about 113, 111, about 113. My final thoughts on this bulb is that it performs very closely from the specs off of their website. It also provides more light when you're backing out, and you can see that from the videos that I've created. It also upgrades the aesthetics of the vehicle from a yellow hue to a bright white light. As for the Auxito company, I think they're a pretty reputable company. I've read some of the reviews. If you check them out on Amazon, they have 4 to 5 stars. It looks to be like they're a good company to buy from. Would I buy this light? Yes. I think for the price and also for what you're getting, I think that it is a valuable investment. With that said, here is your coupon code to get a discount when you order from their website. Hey, if you like this video and you want to see more, please give us a like. If you have questions, comments, leave them in the section below, and I appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.